Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Cow.cm. Cow.cm money making VPN are decentralized VPN for secure and free internet access, building a new generation of Web 3.0 ecosystem, a super VPN that allows you to earn while using it. So guys, first of all, you can register this VPN. You can click this sign up button, then you can register now, then you can log in now, and money making now. You can see this, you can see 13k plus download. You can see this 4.98 app rating. So guys, you can download this VPN, then you can earn money now. And next we discuss about us are innovative web 3.0 platform. Cow.cm is an innovative Web 3.0 platform based in Singapore, dedicated to attracting users, enhancing user engagement, and marketing effectiveness through a decentralized VPN services combined with the Cow token incentive mechanism and viral growth model. And guys, you can check here. We provide users with a secure and highly private internet access experience. Cow.cm not only protects user online privacy but also encourages user participation and promotion through an innovative token economy model and refer reward system, building a robust Web 3.0 ecosystem. You can see the 1250 plus on servers, 125 countries in this VPN. Guys, you can see this video Cow.cm VPN. You can play this video and watch this video in YouTube. And guys, you can see this number one mobile VPN app, a super VPN that helps you make money. Using a VPN, you can safely connect to any website even if it is blocked in your country. So guys, you can get it on Google Play Store and available on the App Store. You can download this VPN. Number two, a differential token Cowcoin, innovative dual burn mechanism to ensure continuous price growth. By combining active and passive burns, it effectively reduces market supply and creates scarcity. So guys, you can click this and read more and see this more detail. Number three, a unique reward system, innovative smart queue plus chain queue plus Genesis node promotion and earning mechanism. Unlock exponential earning with this unique system. So guys, you can click this and read more detail about this project. And next guys, you can check your high speed connection using a Cow.cm VPN. You can safely connect to any website even if it is blocked in your country. IP address protection, your internet traffic is protected from surveillance and your data is encrypted, preventing it from being intercepted by intruders. And next guys, you can see this no activities logs policy, your internet traffic is protected from surveillance and your data is encrypted, preventing it from being intercepted by intruders. Reliable encryption, using a Cow.cm VPN, you can safely connect to any website even if it is blocked in your country. Unlimited traffic, using a Cow.cm VPN, you can safely connect to any website even if it is blocked in your country. 24/7 user support, your internet traffic is protected from surveillance and your data is encrypted, preventing it from being intercepted by intruders. And next guys, you can see this free trial within 1 day. You can see this all your data will be securely encrypted and no one will be able to interrupt your personal information. So guys, you can select 1 day free trial, then you can enjoy now. And next guys, you can see this, you can buy this subscription plan, then you can use this VPN. You can see these prices, choose your subscription plan. Our services allows you to hide your geolocation, bypass blocking and protect your data. Join our 150,000 people who trust Cow.cm VPN to keep their life safe. So guys, you can see this, you can buy a subscription, monthly subscription price $6, Mind Cow 25% antivirus protection service, reliable personal data protection, promotion and earning money. You can subscribe now. Next guys, you can see this quarterly subscription, $15 price, Mind Cow 25%. You can see this, you can subscribe now. Annual subscription $53 and 2-year plan $99. You can see this, you can subscribe now any subscription plan. Next guys, you can check here token economic model. Innovative dual bond token economy, passive combinations, you can read carefully retail, active combinations, you can see this retail, you can click here and read more detail. VPN unique promotion reward. Three unique reward mechanisms, smart public allocation, chain drive and cube funding node. So guys, you can see this number one, smart public allocation effortlessly enjoys subscription income from a vast number of users and easily achieve passive income. Number two, chain driven cube. Quickly build the thousands of chain driven direct referrals and earn generous reward. Number three, founding node. Share in the enormous dividend brought by the growth of cow.cn. Position yourself for the future and size of the opportunity. So guys, you can click here, then you can get started now. Founders node. Founder node benefits, you can check here: daily mining distribution, priority services, voting rights, early access. You can check here, you can click this, then you can start node. And next guys, you can check here development roadmap. Cow.cm Super Cow will be gradually developed into a comprehensive Web 3.0 ecosystem through phase strategy. Phase 1, market entry. Phase 2, community building. Phase 3, Web 3.0 ecosystem expansion. Expand into blockchain related services to create a full Web 3.0 ecosystem. And next guys, you can see this more detail, you can see these testimonials, customers experience, you can see this work expansion, and it's clear that you put a great deal of effort and throw into every aspect of it. Attention to detail is remarkable and it sets a high standard for the rest of the team. You can see this team member, you can check Stephanie Rashford, it developer, and again you can see this another team member Patrick Stone, consultant. You can see this, and again you can see this Hugh James, manager of this VPN. You can see this history, and again you can see this Cassie Carleton, CEO of this project. You can see this all is the team member, and again you can see this frequently asked question: what is VPN and why do you need it? Can a VPN help bypass geoblock? You can check here all question. And next guys, you can enter your email, then you can subscribe now. Guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, WhatsApp. So guys, we go to this project official Twitter page. Guys, you can see the cow.cm official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here all posts. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can see this all detail. You can watch this video about this VPN cow.cm. And next we back to the home page. And next we go to this project official Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can see that you can contact now, then you can see this and information about this project. And next we back to the home page. Next guys, we discuss Cowcoin details. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this Cowcoin page is open. Cowcoin stable growth token ensures token scarcity and long-term value growth through a unique dual bond mechanism. Guys, you can check here Cowcoin contract address. You can copy this contract address, and next guys, you can see this more detail about this project, Cowcoin project background. You can check here, and next guy you can see the dual bond token economics. Number 1, token name Cowcoin. Number 2, token symbol. Number 3, total supply. Number 4, no additional insurance. Number 5, blockchain platform. Number 6, liquidity lock. Number 7, authority edit. Number 8, open source code. Number 9, renounce ownership. You can check here all detail. And next guys, you can see this active burn daily fixed burning mechanism. PancakeSwap. So guys, you can buy and swap now through PancakeSwap. Now you can see this page interface PancakeSwap. You can check it. You can select network now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. Then you can select network now. Then you can swap now. Transaction tax 2%. Whole network transaction mechanism. You can see this. You can download now. And next guys, you can see the original dual combination mechanism, passive combination, active combination. You can check here all detail. You can buy now. You can see this Cowcoin use cases, VPN subscription and promotion rewards, community governance, future payment method. You can check here all detail. And next guy, you can see this award. You can click here and see this page is loading. It's take time. Then you can see this page is open now. Guys, you can see this page is open, invite friends and earn reward now, cow.cm, original mechanism. You can invite your friend now, you can see this more detail, easily invite friends and earn cow coin reward. You can see this article, you can check here, logic, first way, 545, global placement, 10 levels in total, you can check here. You can see this, and next guy you can click this and see this block detail. You can click this and see this page is loading, it's take time, then you can see this page is open now. Guys, you can see this blog page is open, you can search categories now, you can see this all categories: cloud server, cyber security, data privacy, network infrastructure, security application, technologies and trends, VPN. You can see this about us detail, you can see this all detail, you can read it carefully. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.